This is the noise that my bike is doing every time I pedal. As soon as I stop, no noise. I gotta go to the shop, I guess.